everyone needs to prepare themselves that it might get worse before it gets better. And in today's video, this is in regards to Jasmy and Bitcoin and probably most of your altcoins, because whatever Bitcoin does is what most of your altcoins are going to do. There are some outliers like XRP, which I think kind of does its own thing. Also, there are some cryptos that don't really follow Bitcoin, but I still think they'll go down in value from where they're at right now. And I don't know if this is going to happen. I just want to make you all cautious. And also, before I get into the negative, a positive thing is we could be forming an inverse head and shoulders right here, with that being a shoulder, that being the head. And then if we do come back lower and create a shoulder, then that could definitely happen. That would be bullish, and then we could start the uptrend. But right now, this is alarming. The last 7 days for Bitcoin on daily time frames, we have rejected the 21 EMA. This was posted this morning when we were around 60,000, I think, in the Discord with Patreon members. So again, you just got to be cautious in this area, because we've been rejecting the last week, and we definitely could come lower. Definitely a strong possibility based off this indicator alone that we haven't been able to break through it. You can see before, we've tested it before as well, but then we broke through. So we really need a clean break above the 21 EMA to move much higher. Okay. You can see right here, we also rejected. We tried to come out, rejected for a little bit, and then came down lower, but then we started up. So even if we do come down lower, we will have some support in these areas, maybe low 50s. Mid to low 50s is going to be strong support, but this is just what I wanted to make you all aware of, because this is Bitcoin, and whatever Bitcoin decides to do, especially trading under the 21 EMA right now, is bearish for crypto temporarily. Now, as we dive into Jasmy, I've been saying my worst case scenario for Jasmy is 1-1 to 1-2, and it just looks bearish right now. When looking at the last 90 days, you can see we're making lower highs and lower lows right here. Okay, and right now we're just consolidating, but even here we're making lower lows and lower highs when looking at the last week alone. Again, this is the last 90 days right here. So let me know your take on this down below. It doesn't mean I don't think Jasmy could hit 8.5, 12, 20 cents. I still think that's very possible. Again, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is just to make you aware of some red flags that I'm seeing with Bitcoin and with Jasmy right now, because who's to say, we touched this low point, then we rallied higher. This is a higher low from this, okay? Then we rallied lower, which is a lower low from this point, and now we're rallying higher, which is a higher low from this point. Who's to say this doesn't just crash down? So guys, here's my game plan, okay? I'm not buying anything right now. I'm not selling anything right now. I do have cash on the side that I will put more into crypto at certain price targets for Bitcoin, okay? Now, these aren't set in stone, but this is just my rough draft so far. If Bitcoin hits 46 to 45,000, I'm going to move cash into my favorite cryptos. If Bitcoin then gets to, worst case scenario in my opinion, 38 to 37,000, I'm going to move cash again into my favorite cryptos. Even being Bitcoin, I'll probably buy some Bitcoin as well, and Ethereum. But I'll be buying coins like Jasmy, probably Dogecoin, XRP for sure, and probably AOS is an AI crypto that we talk about. So that's just my rough draft right now. Just want to be honest with you all and tell you exactly where my head is at, that I'm good. My bags are packed. Like if this is it, then this is it, and we start to move higher, awesome. But if we do move lower, I do have cash on the side just ready to see if that happens. And then even for Jasmy, this would complete the wave 2, the ABC correction, down around 1-1 to 1-2. So again, guys, drop a like. I know it's not the best video. It doesn't make you super excited, but if you are aware and you understand everything that can happen, mentally you'll be good, and you'll be prepared to now deploy cash at the right times and even make more money in the long run. So drop a like, would always appreciate that. Subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one.